Hey class, Mrs. Gilling back here again for another video assignment. This one's about the lesson 9 focus notes in unit 2. Your enrichment lesson is going to be about crime maps, but before we talk about that, it is time for the joke of the unit. All right, why did the elephant lawyer lose his case? Answer: because it was irrelevant. Get it? Irrelevant, irrelevant. Come on, guys. Puns. Puns are what keep the world going round, I'm pretty sure. All right, I'm actually going to exit out of this slideshow so I can show you the next enrichment lesson that you've got so you can complete those focus notes. So let's go into that real quick. Just like last time, likes to give me problems. All right, here's the enrichment lesson. And this again is found in lesson 9. So this one's called crime maps. In many cities, police department websites offer interactive crime maps. These maps allow users to explore crime rates in different areas by date and type of crime. Find the crime map for your city or a nearby city by searching the internet for interactive crime map or crime statistics plus the name of your city. You can also go to your city's police website, then look for a link related to crime rates. If you cannot locate an interactive crime map for your city, check out a map for another US city instead. So these are so you're going to do some research just like the other one and find the crime maps. I know that you can find it for Ada County. In fact, I'll show it real quick. It's actually kind of cool. So this is the one for Ada County, and you can click these different crimes on the side. So let's say you want to see where burglaries are happening in Ada County. You click this. Oh man, are there not many burglaries? Oh, there we go. Now they're popping up. You can see where the burglaries have taken place, and you can click here, and it tells you the date and what kind of burglary it was. And so you can kind of look at this map and see where there's clusters and see what's happening. And then you can also add different things on. So let's say motor vehicle theft. Plug that in. Whoa, and you can see where that crime's happening. Drug offenses. You can plug in all sorts of stuff. So if you can't find one for where you live, maybe try Ada County, try another one. But it's actually really kind of cool, these crime maps. You can also use multiple websites together. So if there's some information you're not finding on this crime map, you can also Google the statistics, kind of like they talked about. But the crime mapping is pretty cool. All right, let's go back really quick to that enrichment lesson. So these are the questions they want you to answer, and this is what you're going to answer in the focus notes, and I'll show you those in a minute. So which 3 neighborhoods have the highest crime rates? And you can be kind of general here. You can look at the map and see where the kind of the bulk is and write those down. Which crimes are most function? Or sorry, which crimes are most common? Use the search function to select different crime types. Do crime patterns change according to the time of year? Do some crimes seem to occur more often during a certain season? Pick 2 different types of crime, such as burglary and assault. Do these crimes occur clustered together, or does each type of crime tend to occur separately from the other? Some crime maps allow users to search by day of the week or time of day. Which crimes seem to occur more often at night? Which crimes seem more likely to occur on weekends instead of weekdays? And again, don't answer this in your personal journal. You're going to answer it on your focus note sheet. And this is what the focus note sheet looks like for this assignment. So these are the questions. Again, you're going to put in the topic and objective, put in the essential question for this, and then your notes. So these are the ones you need to answer, the questions I want you to find. So which neighborhoods have the highest crime rates? Which crimes are most common? Do crime patterns change according to the time of year? What type of crimes seem to occur clustered together? And then the last one, which websites did you use to complete your research? So give me the links to the sites you used. So put your notes over there. And then after that, do your processing steps. So read over your notes, highlight vocab words or any words that stick out to you. And this is one of the options you can choose. Remember, you don't have to do all 3 of them. You can pick one of them. So you can do the highlighting step. You can do the underlining step where you underline interesting information. Just make sure you're doing at least 3. And then you could choose to do the pictures. Make sure to do your summary, explain what the notes were about, use complete sentences, answer the essential question, and then how does this information connect to my world? Let it know how it applies to your life. And this should be a pretty easy one because you live right in these communities. So you should be able to show how that impacts you or affects you. If you have any questions at all, reach out to me. If you're needing help finding a crime map or need ideas on that, feel free to let me know. But it's kind of a fun project to look at these things. It can be a little bit nerve-wracking at times, but I think you guys will do a fantastic job. So thanks again, guys, for all your hard work in the course, and we will catch up with you later.